Late Monday night, March 3rd, the Spanish Coast Guard swooped in for a dramatic rescue, saving 57 migrants from a rickety boat bobbing precariously off the Canary Islands. They brought the group, worn out but alive, to the port of Arguineguin on Gran Canaria, where the Red Cross jumped into action. Among the crowd, a handful of kids and 2 women, all part of this gutsy bunch risking it all on one of the world's sketchiest sea routes. These 7 islands, perched off Africa's northwestern coast, are drowning under a relentless wave of arrivals, mostly folks fleeing Mali, Senegal, and Morocco, chasing a shot at something better. The numbers are wild. In 2024, the Canary Islands smashed records for the second year running, clocking 46,843 irregular migrants, 73% of Spain's total, according to the Interior Ministry. And 2025's already off to a chaotic start, with at least 8,107 more showing up so far. It's a full-on crisis, and these islands are feeling the heat.